here is Seesaw app social networking, AI chat. Seesaw transformed the way you connect with AI. Here, every chatbot feels alive, thinking, speaking, interacting with real emotion and authentic voices. You can create your own character. You can generate stunning images, daily free conversations, endless exploration, and so on. So yeah, let's just install it because there are a lot of alternatives these days, especially for Chai app, which is becoming super expensive. And I will just show you how the process looks like. I don't know whether this app is legit or not. I'm just showing you. Anyhow, you can just try to sign in. As you can see, there is an error even trying to sign in. So yeah, that's what it is.